Okay, number 2 says give an example to show why the definition of addition of sets must be disjoint. Okay, so what you might recall from a previous section is that A union B, definition of union of sets, is equal to A plus B minus A intersect B, the overlap. Okay, so usually this comes from when they're overlapping. Some elements are counted twice, so we have to subtract them. Okay, the only way that just A plus B is going to equal to A union B is if this is the case. A union B, I don't need that tail on there. And we're usually talking about the number of elements. This is going to equal to in A plus in B, number of elements in B. Only way this is going to be true is if we have this scenario. The elements in A are separate from the elements of B. They don't have any overlap. This is what they mean by disjoint. No connection, they're not connected. So we want to look for the example that says that. A says let A equal B equal 1 plus 2, so they're both the same. They're going to be overlapping basically the same circle. That does not fit this description. B says let A be 1, 2 and B be 2, 3. Again, they have overlap. They have something in common. This is not what we're looking for. C says let A be 4 and B be 2 and 4. So again, they have something in common. They're going to overlap. D says let A be 1, 2, B be 1, 2, 3. So A union B, again, they have something in common. So let me look further to see exactly what they want. If A, let me look at D, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. A union B would be 1, 2, 3. Then 2 and 3. Note, since number of elements in B minus A is 2 minus 3, which equals 1, while this, that is true. Let me look at this. A, B, then A equals 1, B equals 2, A union B equals 2, thus A union B is greater than A, and number of elements in A union B is greater than or equal to elements in B. That appears to be true for this example. One, 2, 2, 3. So we got 2 and 2. A union B has 3. Notice A plus B equals 4, while number of elements in A union B equals 3. And this one says A, B, 1, 2, 1, 2. All are equal to 2. I want to say B. This one just gives you the straightforward. You got these two. When you add them up, you get 3 elements when you do the union. And then the number of elements in A and B are 2. And if you add those, you get 4, while that's equal to 3. So because that's the case, it's not going to work